So in this video, we're going to download and install Amazon Corretto for the Mac platform. Now, Amazon Corretto is the JDK version 11 that we're going to be using in this course. And there is a video in this section of the course that talks about the reasoning behind this particular version of the JDK if you're interested. All right, so first we're going to do a search for Amazon Corretto, C-O-R-R-E-T-T-O. Then we're going to just click on the link to go to the page. We're going to come over and select or click on download Amazon Corretto 11 because we want to use version 11 of the JDK. Then we want to scroll down, find the Mac version, and we're going to go ahead and download that. I'll save that. Give that a moment to complete. Once it's completed, we'll go through the installation process. Alright, so I'm going to click on the downloaded file now that's finished downloading, which starts the installer. I'll close down the browser. And the installation is pretty simple. Click on continue, click on install, type your password. And you can see it was quite a quick process. I'm going to select the option after clicking close to move to bin because we no longer need the downloaded files. Then I'm going to do control space and type terminal. Press enter, and I'm going to type Java space dash version. And what we're looking for is where it says Open JDK 64-bit server VM Corretto-11. So the 11 there stands for JDK version 11. So that's good. We can see that it's all installed successfully. Now one last thing we need to do is just open a Finder window. Alright, so after clicking out, actually we'll go back to main. This is the main disk. I'm going to go into the library folder. This is where the installation is going to be. Come down to Java and under Java Virtual Machines. Alright, so that's the location on our computer, the main disk, library, Java, Java Virtual Machines, and then Amazon Corretto. But other than that, that's now the installation of Amazon Corretto JDK version 11 done and dusted.